In the icy depths of the Arctic Ocean, an enigma exists that defies our understanding of biology. Here in the bitterly cold waters lives a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a fantasy novel, the narwhal. This unique marine mammal, known for its long spiraled tusk, is often dubbed the unicorn of the sea. But unlike the mythical creature it is likened to, the narwhal is very real, and its tusk, a striking feature that can grow up to 10 feet long, is shrouded in mystery. For years, scientists have been left scratching their heads over the purpose of this distinctive tusk. Some suggest it's used in mating rituals, or for asserting dominance, while others speculate it might be an extraordinary sensory organ. The truth? We still don't have a definitive answer. The harsh environment where narwhals thrive makes comprehensive studies a daunting task, leaving us with more questions than answers about these remarkable creatures. But here's a thought to ponder on. What if the narwhal's tusk isn't just a biological anomaly? What if it's a sign of something more extraterrestrial? Yes, you heard it right. Could it be possible that these elusive creatures aren't just residents of our Earth, but hail from a different world altogether? Like an alien species hiding in plain sight, narwhals continue to baffle us with their peculiarities. Their ability to survive in the harsh Arctic environment, their unique tusk, their mysterious behavior, everything about them seems to challenge our understanding of terrestrial life. We live on a planet that is mostly water, and yet we know more about the moon than we do about the depths of our own oceans. And within those unreached depths, narwhals exist, a testament to the fact that our world is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So as we delve deeper into the enigma that is the narwhal, we must ask ourselves, are we truly alone in the universe? Or could it be that we share our home with beings far more alien than we ever imagined? Could these elusive creatures be residents of Earth, or do they hail from a different world? The physiology of the narwhal, it seems, is not of this world. Let's start with the most obvious anomaly, the narwhal's tusk. This spiraled, elongated tooth, found predominantly in males, can reach lengths of up to 10 feet. There's no other marine creature with a similar feature. This tusk serves as a sensory organ, with millions of nerve endings on its surface, allowing the narwhal to detect changes in its environment. An underwater antenna, if you will. Now, doesn't that sound a bit otherworldly? But the peculiarities don't stop there. The narwhal's brain is one of the largest among ocean-dwelling mammals, second only to the human brain in terms of size to body ratio. This large brain size, paired with a complex nervous system, suggests high cognitive abilities. They have been observed communicating with a wide range of sounds, hinting at a possibly sophisticated language system. Then there's the extraordinary diving capability of these creatures. Narwhals can dive to depths of over a mile, far deeper than any human could survive without a submarine. And they don't just make these dives once in a blue moon, they do it regularly as part of their daily routine. This incredible ability to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea, the frigid temperatures, and the lack of oxygen suggests an adaptation far beyond what is typical for an earthly creature. And let's not forget about their longevity. Despite living in some of the harshest conditions on our planet, narwhals can live up to 50 years. This is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, traits that might be expected from a species not of this world. All these unique features and abilities of the narwhal do make one wonder. They're unlike any other creature in our oceans, possessing traits and abilities that seem to transcend what we know of earthly biology. So, if their bodies are not entirely earthly, where might they have come from? Radiation from space, a lethal force for most life on Earth, is a part of the narwhal's daily existence. Now let's dive a bit deeper into this intriguing aspect. The Arctic, where narwhals dwell, is a region showered by high levels of cosmic radiation. This radiation is a byproduct of supernovae, the explosive deaths of stars and other celestial events. It is constantly raining down on our planet, but is particularly intense at the poles due to the Earth's magnetic field. Most living creatures on this planet would struggle under such conditions. High levels of radiation are known to cause a plethora of health issues in animals, from genetic mutations to cancer. Yet, against all odds, narwhals thrive in this environment, seemingly untouched by the radiation's harmful effects. This resilience is incredibly unusual, especially when we compare narwhals to other Arctic species. Take the polar bear, for instance. These mighty creatures, despite their toughness, show signs of radiation-induced health issues. Yet, our tusked friends, the narwhals, display no such vulnerabilities. This discrepancy is enough to make one wonder, Have narwhals evolved under different conditions than we initially thought? Here's where the plot thickens. Some scientists speculate that narwhals, with their uncanny resistance to radiation, might possess DNA repair mechanisms unlike anything we've seen before. Others suggest a more radical theory, that narwhals are not of this world. That's right, they suggest these majestic creatures might be descendants of extraterrestrial life forms that arrived on Earth millions of years ago. Of course, these are all theories, and more research is needed to truly unlock the secrets of the narwhal. But one thing is clear. Their unique ability to withstand cosmic radiation sets them apart from the rest of Earth's fauna. It's a tantalizing clue that adds to the enigma of these mysterious creatures. Could these creatures be living evidence of life beyond our planet? This is a question that continues to intrigue scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, perhaps the narwhal will guide us to answers we never thought possible. When we look to the stars, we may be gazing towards the narwhal's original home. This statement may strike you as fantastical, but let's delve into the realm of the unknown and examine a scientific theory known as panspermia. Panspermia is a Greek term that translates to seeds everywhere. In the context of astrobiology, it refers to the idea that life exists throughout the universe and is distributed via asteroids, comets, and even microscopic space dust. These celestial bodies could potentially carry life forms, or the building blocks of life across interstellar distances, seeding life on planets they encounter. Now imagine an asteroid from a distant star system, carrying with it the genetic blueprint for a creature like the narwhal. This asteroid crashes into a young prehistoric Earth, introducing a new form of life into our seas. Over millions of years, these alien life forms adapt and evolve, giving rise to the narwhals we see today. Think about it. The narwhal is unlike any other creature on Earth. Its peculiar physiology, its ability to withstand cosmic radiation, and its enigmatic behaviors all point towards an extraterrestrial origin. This theory is not without precedent. Some scientists argue that octopuses, with their incredible intelligence and unique abilities, could also be the product of panspermia. So, could narwhals be terrestrial descendants of cosmic voyagers? Could their long, spiral tusks, which have puzzled scientists for centuries, actually serve a purpose beyond our understanding? These tusks, which can reach lengths of up to 10 feet, are filled with millions of nerve endings and are incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment. Perhaps these are not mere teeth but sophisticated tools, designed to navigate a world far different from ours. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we may find that life on Earth is not as isolated as we once believed. The narwhals, with their enigmatic tusks and otherworldly physiology, may serve as a reminder of our cosmic connections. Perhaps the narwhal's tusk is not just a tooth but a relic of a cosmic past. The narwhal, a creature of our world or a visitor from another? This question may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but as we've explored throughout this video, there's more than meets the eye when it comes to these enigmatic creatures of the deep. Let's revisit the compelling evidence we've uncovered. We began by delving into the narwhal's unique physiology. Their long, spiral tusks, unlike anything else found in nature, have baffled scientists for years. Some have suggested that these tusks, which can reach up to 10 feet in length, might serve as some form of antenna, receiving signals we can't even fathom. Their robust bodies, built to withstand the crushing pressure of deep sea dives, could just as easily be adapted for the vacuum of space. Next, we considered the narwhal's peculiar resistance to radiation. Most living creatures are vulnerable to the harmful effects of radiation, and yet, the narwhal seems astonishingly resilient. This resistance is uncannily similar to organisms found on the International Space Station exposed to cosmic radiation, leading some to speculate that the narwhal's origins might not be as earthly as we think. Finally, we delved into the theory of panspermia, the idea that life on Earth could have been seeded from elsewhere in the cosmos. Could the narwhal be a relic of this extraterrestrial origin? It's a far-fetched notion, certainly, but one that's not beyond the realm of possibility. These points, while suggestive, are far from conclusive. The narwhal remains shrouded in mystery, an alien among us, waiting to be understood. We need more in-depth research, more exploration, more curiosity to unravel the truth about these incredible creatures. As we turn our gaze towards the stars, searching for signs of life in the vast expanses of the cosmos, let's not forget the mysteries that lie beneath our own waves. As we explore the cosmos for signs of life, we may need to look no further than our own oceans, where the narwhal swims in mystery.